I'm excited to open up this package of queen size Bedsure pillows. I'm really looking forward to them. They are a down alternative, and by that they mean that they have two different types of fibers in them. They have a fiber that is a hollow one and one that is a spiraled fiber. That doesn't look like a queen size pillow now, does it? There are two here. This is the most satisfying thing about getting things from Bedsure is they usually have them so compressed down in their vacuum sealed bags. So let's open this up and see how this looks. Oof, see how it's puffing up already. Ooh, that's a really almost silky type of a feel to the fabric. And they're very pretty. Those feel great. It's going to take a little while for them to puff up. The little fluffing guide they give you is to shake it and then gather it up and gather on the other side and kind of fluff it. Let it rest for up to 24 hours for the full fluffing. Another option is you can toss it in the dryer. So basically they're saying to do like this to fluff it, or put it in the dryer. So this, oh my gosh, look at how much it's puffing up there already. I'm really excited about that. Let me shake it real quick here. There's how fluffy I got it. And that's without putting it in the dryer, which I will do here shortly. It's got a great feel to it. I'm really loving the fabric. Now it is hypoallergenic, so that I love that, first of all. And it also has what they're calling a micro-ventilated air fabric. So it is very breathable, got a cool type of a feel to it, which I love. I love the little ribbon here. That's just a little decoration for it, basically. What is really great about this is that this actually can be washed in the washing machine. Let me see. It's made of 100% polyester, both the shell and the filling. And as far as the washing instructions, it says machine wash cold separately, gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry low, do not iron, do not dry clean, do not use any detergent with chlorine. So you can wash and dry this in the washer and dryer. So I love that. Wow, it's still fluffing up, and it will continue to do so for 24 hours. I'm really stoked about these. They feel really great. It blows me away that just putting my hand on it, how much it's springing up. And it's going to be really good for no matter whether you're a side sleeper, a back sleeper, or a stomach sleeper. So I'm really tickled with these.